You push the pedal and the car moves. But what's really happening under the hood? Let's break it down. This is how a car engine actually works, and yeah, it's way cooler than you think. It all starts with air and fuel. Two basic ingredients. Mix them just right, throw in a spark and boom. Explosion. Controlled chaos. That's what powers your ride. Inside the engine are cylinders. Think of them as tiny launch chambers. Most cars have 4, 6, or 8 of them, and inside each one is a piston, a metal piece that moves up and down crazy fast. Here's where it gets real. The engine follows a cycle. 4 strokes. 4 moves. Known as the Otto cycle. And it goes like this. 1. Intake. The intake valve opens. The piston moves down. A perfect mix of air and fuel rushes in. 2. Compression. The piston goes back up, squeezing the mix tight. Like pulling a slingshot all the way back. 3. Power. Spark plug ignites. Boom. Explosion pushes the piston down hard. That's the moment your wheels feel. 4. Exhaust. The used up gas is pushed out through the exhaust valve. Clean slate. Time to repeat. This whole cycle happens over 1,000 times per minute. In each cylinder, the pistons are connected to a crankshaft. As they move up and down, they spin the crankshaft, turning linear motion into rotation. That's what spins your wheels, powers your car, and lets you blast music while flying down the highway. And it's all controlled with military precision by your ECU, or engine control unit. It's like a tiny brain telling every part when to move, spark, open, close. Every millisecond matters. Throw in oil for lubrication, a cooling system to keep it from melting, belts and chains to keep it all in sync, and boom, you've got an engine that turns explosions into motion. Now add turbochargers, more air, more power. Electric motors, silent torque monsters. Hybrid tech, best of both worlds. But at its core, every engine is just fire, metal, and timing working together like a mechanical heartbeat. So next time you start your car, just know there's a symphony of fire and steel happening beneath you. And now, you actually understand it. If this made you feel 10% more car smart, drop a vroom vroom in the comments, hit that follow, and buckle up because next, we're breaking down how EV motors are totally rewriting the rulebook.